submissions by the prosecution and the defense, and I find that it has not been submitted nor has it been demonstrated that the accused person herein is a flight risk. So I've also considered the amount or the cash involved in the charge sheet. The purpose of bond is, or the main purpose of bond is to ensure that an accused person attends court. Besides the appeal launched by the accused person before the Tax Appeals Tribunal, I find that the accused person also has a constitutional right to be presumed innocent till proven otherwise. In the circumstances, I will grant the first and the second accused person, each is granted bond of 5 million plus 1 surety. In the alternative, each accused person, that is the first accused and the limited liability company, each to deposit a cash bail of 1 million Kenya shillings each. And the first accused person who has pleaded to the charges on behalf of the second accused company is ordered by the court to post bail on behalf of the company. The defense will be supplied with a copy of charge sheets, witness statements, and all documents to be relied upon by the prosecution. We will take a date for pretrial directions and fixing of hearing dates. This will be before court number 11, and owing to the nature of the case and the document 16, being a director of London Distillers and a limited liability company incorporated as such, the PIN number is P050111008588R. You unlawfully omitted from excise duty returns for the year of 2016 production volumes totaling to 164,593 liters of ready-to-drink and 2,902,661 of spirits, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the Excise Duty Act. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
On behalf of the company, and you said not true. Count number 2 is failure to pay tax contrary to section 95 as read with section 104 of the Tax Procedure Act. And the particulars are that both accused persons between the first day of January 2016 and the 31st of December 2016, being director of London Distillers and a limited liability company, you failed to pay excise duty amounting to 524,425 and 63 shillings for the year 2016. Is it true or not true? Count number 3 is that of omitting from tax returns production volumes which ought to have been included contrary to section 95A as read with section 104.3 of the Tax Procedures Act. Particulars being that within the period between the first day of January 2017 and the 31st of December 2017, being a director of London Distillers and a limited company, the PIN number that I've indicated, you unlawfully omitted from excise duty returns for the year 2017 production volumes totaling to 3,564 liters of ready-to-drink and 4,330,720 liters of spirit, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the Excise Duty Act. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 4 is failure to pay tax contrary to section 95 as read with section 104 of the Tax Procedures Act, that between the first day of January 2017 and the 31st of December 2017, being a director of London Distillers and a limited liability company, you failed to pay excise duty amounting to 814,581,858. That's for the year 2017. Is it true or not true?
Not
Count number 5 is that of omitting from tax returns production volumes which ought to have been included contrary to section 97A as read with section 104.3 of the Tax Procedures Act. particulars being that between the first day of January 2019 and the 31st of December 2019, being a director of London Distillers and a limited, which is a limited liability company incorporated in the PIN number indicated, you unlawfully omitted from excise duty returns for the year 2019 production volumes amounting to 814,887 liters of spirit, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the Excise Duty Act. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 6 is that of failure to pay tax contrary to Section 95, as read with Section 104 of the Tax Procedures Act, being that on the first day of January 2019 and the 31st of December 2019, being a director of London Distillers and a limited liability company, you failed to pay excise duty amounting to 171,126,304 307 for the year 2019. Is it true or not true?
Not
Number 7, it's a charge of omitting from tax returns amounts which ought to have been included contrary to Section 97A as read in Section 1043 of the Tax Procedures Act, being that between the first day of January 2015 and the 21st of December 2015, being director of London Distillers and a limited liability company, you unlawfully omitted from the value added tax returns for the year 2015 sales amounting to 488,532 and 4 shillings, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required via the Value Added Tax Act. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 8 is failure to pay tax contrary to the law, that between the first day of January 2015 and the 31st of December 2015, being director of London Distillers and the limited liability company, you failed to pay VAT amounting to 78,165,121 for the year 2015. True or not true?
Not
Count number 9 is the charge of omitting from tax returns sales amount which ought to have been included contrary to the law, that between the first day of January 2016 and the 31st of December 2016, being a director of London Distillers and a limited liability company, you unlawfully omitted from the value added tax returns for the year 2016 sales amounting to 1,281,197,781, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the Value Added Tax Act. Is it true or not true?
Not
Count number 10 is failure to pay tax contrary to Section 95, as read with Section 104 of the Tax Procedures Act, being that on the first day of January 2016 and the 31st of December 2016, being director of London Distillers and the company, you failed to pay VAT amounting to 204,991,645 for the year 2016. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Count number 11 is charge of omitting from tax returns sales amount which ought to have been included contrary to the law, particularly being the 1st of January 2017 and the 31st of December 2017, being director of London Distillers and the company, you unlawfully omitted from the value added tax returns for the year 2017 sales amount totaling to 1,414,579,143 Kenyan shillings, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the Value Added Tax Act. Is it true or not true?
No, it's not true.
Count number 12 is failure to pay tax contrary to the law, being that between the 1st day of January 2017 and the 31st of December 2017, being a director and the company, you failed to pay VAT amounting to 226,332,663 Kenyan shillings for the year 2017. True or not true?
Not true.
Count number 15 is the charge of failing from omitting from tax returns sale amount which ought to have been included contrary to the law, being that between the 1st of January 2017 and the 31st of December 2019, being Director and Company Limited, you unlawfully omitted from the value-added tax returns for the year 2019 sales amount totaling to 344,084,000 Kenya shillings, which ought to have been declared to the Commissioner as required by the law. Is it true or not true?
Not true.